Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I have never seen such hardly broken and destroyed nails since I started working on the nail studio. She is my regular client and her name is Luba. And she agreed to make this video and to tell the story about her hard life. So I decided to do it and tell people. I mean, maybe this story will change something in their life, in their souls, because many viewers are still arguing about her dirty hands. They write bad comments and tell why can't she use gloves while working on the warehouse or working with the coal. You know guys, I told you many times that conditions of our hands depends on the lifestyle, and persons who never had experience with hard work, they will never understand it. I will try to explain. For example, you start working on the warehouse. This work is very hard. You have to work about 10 or more hours a day. Of course, first days when you work, you are trying to be careful. For example, you use gloves. But after you become so tired, you forgot about everything. The person is like a robot. She just work hard as a horse. Forget about the soap, the gloves. And we shouldn't judge such people. We just need to understand them and help them. When I met Luba for the first time, she came as a model to our training center. I teach my students on her nails, and we were laughing. There were a lot of jokes about her person. You know, we have in Russia something like the symbol. I mean, people who live by the garbage can. And students told that, oh my God, where did he find her? It seems like this woman is living on the streets. And of course all the rest of students refused to even to touch her hands. And they made up their faces. Oh, why her hands are so dirty? One of students told that if she has such clients in her future nail studio, this way she would break up this profession the same day. You know guys, honestly I was in shock too. But when I started my profession, when I was a student, my teacher, my trainer told me that the true manicurist, the real manicurist or pedicurist would never refuse the client even if he or she doesn't like the appearance or conditions of the skin or the dirt, anything else. You should work with the client as he or she is, no matter who it is, the poor woman, the homeless person, if she lives on the streets, if her legs or hands smell awful, and no matter what is from underneath of your nails, the shit or the pieces of gold, we should work with this client and we should do our best to make her happy. And that time I told this phrase my students. And I also told, if somebody doesn't want to train this day on this client, she could go out, because that means you will never enjoy this profession. You may continue watching YouTube videos, train your hands on your friends, but you will never be the true artist, nail technician. And after they calmed down and started working, and they started speaking with the Luba. And you know what? What happened after? After 4 times of training, that woman with dirty hands and my students, they became friends. And this is not a joke. The Luba has the greatest sense of humor and self-irony. She told them jokes and they were laughing all the time. That was the greatest training day. The happiest training day for me and for my students. And they thanked me in the evening. And after that they tell that they were in love in this profession. They told that they did the miracle. And they told that they would never treat people by the condition of their hands or their appearance. But by the way, guys, the story of Luba is very simple. Sometimes people think that they would never be in such situation, but she thought the same way until she met her future husband. He was a real alcoholic. And do you wonder how the woman becomes alcoholic too? You know, it's very easy. When you start living with such man and he drinks vodka until he becomes like a pig, and when she has no chance to leave him, in that moment she starts to help him. I mean, to help drink the half of the bottle of vodka. This way she wants him not to be so faded. And now you guys understand that this way of life, it all turns to the bender. I hope you understand these words, guys. I mean, when people every day drinks a lot of vodka. Of course, she worked that time, but she was always faded. She worked on the street market of cheap dresses or cloth. But the weather is cold, especially in cold months of winter, and she had even no chance not to drink, because conditions of this work are not like sitting in the warm office. The frost kills the skin, and her fingers turned so hard and swollen. Last time I saw Luba, she told that she just lost those 10 years from her life. I mean, when she was drinking with that bad man. She told that she could die, especially when she got into drug abuse center. So guys, there were a lot of problems in her life, but 5 or 6 years ago her life has changed. Doctors told her that she could never have a baby. And as you know, guys, if you are watching my videos, now she already has 2 children. And this is the miracle. She stopped drinking vodka about 6 or 7 years ago. She gave up smoking, and she's giving all her life to her children. And I think this is the great way to change the life this way. But we have only one problem. She still has to work on those warehouse, and she still has hit the oven with the coal, and her house is very old. That's why she sometimes forget about conditions of her hands. But this is great that she has me, and I'm always doing nails for my friend Luba for free and drawing beautiful compositions of flowers, her favorite flowers, on their nails. And as you can see, guys, we have transformed her nails to perfection. And by the way, tomorrow will be her birthday, and we decided to make such long nails only on 1 or 2 days. Of course, after we will remove the length of the nail and make them shorter, because she has children and she has to work hard. But I think that this is great thing to make a woman happy even on 1 or 2 days, because I don't know how to explain it. I know that only women feel it and understand, and men will never understand it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that it will change something in your heart. I love you guys. See you in the next videos. Bye.